friends. So Tarav the first class topic. So today start the second class. Suppose you not watch the first day class, subscribe my channel and watch. Another one information I tell you. So Python video also I take and put seven topic easy method I teacher. If you want, subscribe my channel and learn this Python programming language. Today start the second class. This topic discuss about the how many tests is there. So whatever test, how to use this test. Three category test is there: a static test, hyper test, normal test. Okay. So test is test editing, voice editing, video editing. Many modifications there using the multimedia. Yeah, see. Test is a basic component of multimedia and most common way of the communicating information other person. So we can communicate to the another person's the text and video and images any way we can communicate to others. So even the multimedia include the image communications, video, audio and graphics. The 3-4 categories use and send the message. So send the message to clear the identifications. Okay. Test is a basic component use the multimedia. Different category styles is there. Modification, voice modification, style modification, test style modification. Everything include the special component include the multimedia package. Okay. Yeah, see. The static test, then hyper test. So two categories is difference is that static test. What does mean by static test? Suppose you convey to the message to others, icon we can click that icon, everything get. We can click that icon, open that icon, every message store that icon symbols. Okay. Somebody say the message, video symbols. That video is we can click, gathering the information. Easily gathering the information. Somebody tell test format. The test icons is open. Test format say the message. Okay. So different categories using, that is called the static test. Okay. So line test using, the symbol test using, then video test using. That different categories use and learn. That is called the static test. So definition see. The static test, listen carefully. Static test, the test or the words. The test or the test that words over will remain the test as a heading or in a line. So we can give the headings lines, we can click and open gathering the message. Something paragraph is there, text is there, heading is there, word is there. So different categories to send the message to others. Okay. The words are given along with the image to explain about that image. Image also is conveyed to the message. The static test word will either the information to support in image or video. So already I told you, no, so image convert to the message, audio convert to the message, video convert to the message. These are all formatting using the static test. Okay. So yeah, here see. Here these are nine types of there. No. So we can click this image. That image is display something. This type is click. This type. So different category, different style model give to you learning the static test. Okay. Understood clearly? So what is the test? What is the static test? Clear, understood? Next, hyper test. Hyper test means link to another's, link to another files, link to another video, link to another image, link to another files. Any categories, whatever you want, that we can use the hyperlink option to connect to the another files. Okay. So hyperlink is a system which contains the nodes. That this nodes means what you want the something get the data. So using the nodes. The test and the links between the nodes is the define the path the user need to follow for the test to access the non-sequentially way. Yeah, this is correct only. This is not sequentially way. Sequence way then non-sequence way means what? Sequence means alphabetical order is there. Non-sequence is unalphabetical orders. So that file stored to any drive. We can that link correct link we can use that that file is currently find out give to you. Okay. The author of the working system create the structures. User is permitted to define their own path. More sophisticated hyperlink system. The user provide the flexibility, the choice to navigate the hypertext. In a multimedia produce, the text is used to convey the information and must be the place at the appropriate position in order to obtain the well-formatted sentence and paragraphs. The readability of the text depends on the phrasing and punctuations. The message communication is more appropriate with the improved fonts and styles. Yeah, the hyperlink, the multimedia, we can using the multimedia hyperlink. So everything is the text format, style, graphs is the understandable and readables, and style is modification, letter style is the different. So we can normal using font, normal or a few fonts usables there. Some multimedia fonts we can stylish fonts is there, different styles, different fonts colors, different 3D effect, 2D effect, everything you include the multimedia. That's why it's a multimedia effecting software program. Okay, that's why using now all are you use film industry also using this multimedia. Yeah, see here. So how to link? Yeah, a dot link. So a dot link that a is a file link. That a file is whatever categories, whatever content include. We can press the a dot link. That file automatically hyperlink to the a file is open. Okay. So all of you understood the test topic. What is a test, what is a static test, then hypertext clearly. Yeah, next class I teach about image. So all of you understood. So if you not see the first class, please watch and come. If you like this class section, subscribe my channel and comment. Share your friends. Please share your friends. We can use and share to others. It's a very useful this class, no? So I tell you again. So please watch my Python class also. Very useful for you. That's why I told you. So I link to the Python software class. Put the description section. You watch and learn easily method. I teach you single topic only. Small video only I put that. You watch and get easily. Thank you.